Ever scroll through Instagram and see those people living their best lives, sipping champagne in first class, staying in overwater bungalows, jet-setting for pennies on the dollar, and think, how? Well, what if I told you that you don't need to be some points guru or travel wizard to hack your way into those dream trips? That, thanks to AI, you can skip the years of trial and error and start traveling like a pro. Today, welcome to AtlasIQ, where innovation meets exploration. Stick around because we're about to unlock the secrets of AI-powered travel hacking. No elite status or spreadsheets required. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll be booking trips so smart your future self will high-five you from a beach in Bali. Oh, and if you're not subscribed to AtlasIQ, fix that now because we're about to drop some serious knowledge. Let's be real, booking flights is exhausting. You've got 17 tabs open, prices keep changing, and suddenly that cheap ticket costs more than your rent. Enter AI. Tools like Google's Bard, ChatGPT, or even Kayak's AI-powered search can do the heavy lifting for you. Just ask, find me the cheapest flights from New York to Tokyo in November with under 12 hours of total travel time. Boom. Instead of hours of searching, AI scours the web in seconds, even predicting price drops before they happen. It's like having a travel agent who works for free and doesn't judge your last-minute decisions. Though, fair warning, once you start, you will get addicted to finding deals. Just one more search is the travel hacker's version of just one more episode. Here's a sneaky trick. Ask AI to find hidden city flights. Sometimes booking a longer trip with a layover at your real destination can be cheaper. Just don't check bags, or they'll end up in Narnia. And get this, some AI tools track your behavior too. If you keep searching the same route, prices might creep up. Try incognito mode or a VPN to outsmart the algorithm. It's like a spy movie, but with more sunscreen. Hey, quick question. Have you ever used AI to book flights? Did it save you money? Or did you end up with a ticket to nowhere? Drop a comment and let us know. Here's a pro tip. Airlines and hotels use dynamic pricing, meaning prices change by the hour, even based on your browsing history. Sneaky, right? But AI fights back. Apps like Hopper and Airfare Watchdog use machine learning to predict the best time to book that flight. They'll ping you the second prices drop so you can snag that $400 round trip to Paris while everyone else overpays. Fun fact. Hopper's AI analyzes billions of data points, like weather, holidays, even oil prices, to predict trends with 95% accuracy. It's like a crystal ball, but for travel deals. And here's a little secret. Clearing your cookies can sometimes trick sites into showing lower prices. But shh, that's our little secret. Oh, and here's another pro tip. Set up price alerts for multiple airports. Flying into London Gatwick instead of Heathrow could save you hundreds. And hey, more money for fish and chips. So tell me, have you ever been hit with a sudden price hike because you waited too long? Or did you snag a last-minute deal that made you feel like a travel genius? Let us know in the comments. Points and miles used to be a nightmare. Transfer 50,000 points at a 1.3 times ratio during a promo window. What does that even mean? Now AI cuts through the noise. Ask ChatGPT. How can I maximize my Chase Sapphire points for a luxury hotel in Bali? It'll spit out step-by-step instructions, which partners to transfer to, when to book, even hidden sweet spots. No more decoding airline jargon like it's the Da Vinci Code. Here's something cool. Some credit cards offer AI-powered rewards optimizers. The Capital One Venture X, for example, suggests the best redemption options based on your travel habits. Fancy, right? Though if you do crack the airline algorithm, let me know. I've got some theories involving sacrificial cookies and a full moon. And get this, Singapore Airlines once sold a first-class ticket for just 87,000 miles thanks to a glitch. AI tools like Expert Flyer can spot these mistakes faster than you can say upgrade. Hey, quick poll, do you hoard points like a dragon with gold, or do you spend them the second you can? Let us know in the comments. But hacking isn't just about saving money, it's about saving time and stress. Stuck in Rome with no Italian? Google Lens translates menus instantly. Worried about crowds? AI tools like Touringbird predict the quietest times to visit the Colosseum. Need a last-minute plan? ChatGPT builds a custom itinerary in seconds. Give me a foodie's day in Bangkok with no tourist traps. Here's a game changer. Apps like TripIt Pro use AI to track flight delays before the airline announces them. Imagine getting a heads up while sipping coffee, while everyone else is stuck in the delay announcement purgatory. Gone are the days of wandering aimlessly while hangry. AI, the ultimate wingman for travel emergencies. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Pair Google Maps popular times with ChatGPT's itinerary builder to dodge crowds. Because no one wants to see the Mona Lisa through 37 iPhone screens. So tell me, what's your biggest travel stressor? Lost luggage, language barriers, or just finding your gate in time? Let us know in the comments. Packing is art, and by art, I mean last-minute panic. But AI can help. Apps like PackPoint sync with your calendar and weather apps to generate packing lists. Heading to Iceland? It'll remind you to pack thermals and that waterproof phone case you always forget. Fun fact, some airlines, Ryanair Cough, use AI to predict if your carry-on is oversized. Beat them at their own game with AI luggage scales that measure your bag via smartphone. Or just wear 6 layers on the plane, free jacket, and a fashion statement. Hey, quick question. Are you an overpacker or a minimalist? Do you bring everything or just the bare essentials? Drop a comment and let us know. Now, AI isn't perfect. Some tools still hallucinate fake flights or outdated info. So always double check with a quick Google search, unless you want to show up at an airport that closed in 1998. Here's a pro tip. Stick to AI tools with live data like Skyscanner's Everywhere Search or Google Flights Price Graph. And if a deal seems too good, check airlineratings.com to avoid sketchy airlines. Remember, AI is your co-pilot, not your pilot. Stay in control and you'll be golden. Unless you're flying Spirit. Then, good luck. So, tell me, have you ever fallen for a too-good-to-be-true travel deal? Or did you outsmart the system? Let us know in the comments. So there you have it. AI is your shortcut to traveling smarter, cheaper, and way more stylishly. No years of experience needed. Just a few clever tools and the willingness to outsource the hard work to robots. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your favorite AI travel hack? Drop it in the comments and let's swap secrets. Oh, and if this video saved you future time, money, or stress, do us a solid. Smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a travel hack. This is AtlasIQ, where innovation meets exploration. Until next time, happy hacking and see you in first class.